Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the region for your Nintendo 2DS console. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on our home button, which is located in the top left corner of our screen. Now scroll all the way down to the system settings right here. Click on it and that way we'll enter them. Now go for other settings, profile, region, and here you can pick whichever region you prefer. After that, click OK and your region will be changed. And here you can also pick the region secondary. It depends on whether you live. So I'm choosing Lesser Poland. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.